Hello class, welcome back for another exciting YouTube video with Python. This is the version 2 of the Python line graphing program. The only difference is this line of code here. Well, this is not the only one, but this is the start. And notice this is a tuple versus a list. Lists have square brackets on its values. Tuples have parens. Tuples are values that cannot change within the list or a tuple. So down here I have a list because there's square brackets and these values could change as the program executes. These are tuples, and that's why we have parens, and the value cannot change. The only difference here is on the X ticks. If you remember in the previous one we had 0 through 12 as a list, and then we actually had the month names hard-coded like January, February, March. In this case, what we do is we take the X coordinates, which are right here, and then we pass in a tuple that will correlate 0 here to January, 1 here to February. This is probably a better approach than the version right before this one.